Is it time to panic? You already know, it's the vlogs. What's going on, YouTube? Random Reg here, back at you with another video. I'm so sad right now. I'm so heartbroken right now. My Cowboys didn't play good again. No, they played better. The offense played better than the last game. But the defense played worse in this game. Tell me how the defense stopped Kansas City with Mahomes, Tyreek Hill, Kelsey, how they stopped them from making over 19 points. They didn't make over 19 points. After that, after Kansas City just got through beating another team, put 40 up on them, but we stopped them with the people that we have. We still have Lawrence out, and we have Gregory out, our two best defensive end. And we was able to, and we got I think Donovan Wilson in the secondary as far as safety, he's out. How did they stop Kansas City? In Kansas City, but now we back home, and we can't stop the Raiders. And their best player, their best wide receiver, he's whatever got going on with him, he's not on the team or playing. And the other wide receiver, he got hurt. Waller. What? And they still put 36 on our defense. Can you explain that? Oh my God. So, okay, the good points. Let me go ahead and say the good points are the bright spots in this game. And before I get into it, if you're new, first time checking me out, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below. Let me get you guys' thoughts. Haters, you're welcome. I don't care. Say what you gotta say. You know what I'm saying? Just don't be too malicious. It's a way you can hate the Cowboys without being too malicious. All right? And please share this everywhere. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers because I'm gonna give away some free money. All right, now let me get back to my analysis here. So the good points or the bright spots of this game for the offense. I don't see any in the defense. No, I see one in the defense. You already know who that one is. But offense, here's the good thing about the offense. In this game, we got some touchdowns because we didn't get no touchdowns last game. Dak only got sacked one time. So that's a good thing. Pollard, if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have took it over to overtime. He's a bright spot. I don't know what's going on with Zeke. I guess that calf is still bothering him. They just should have go ahead and just set him down, let him rest. You know what I'm saying? Shouldn't he played this game? Not saying he jeopardized us in this game, but still, if you can't do nothing, just sit down. You know what I'm saying? And what other bright spot? That's it. I don't see no other bright spot in this game. Oh, Gallup, he did pretty good. I like those catches he had. Gallup did some good catches, so he's getting his groove back. And Dak, he's getting his groove back just a little bit, because that was some good throws. All right, now, the good spots in the defense, it's only one. Michael Parsons. He's been a beast every game, win or lose. He's on the defensive end. he's getting after the quarterback. You know what I'm saying? They can't stop him. So he's a very, very bright spot on the defense. All right, now let me get to the bad spots or the bad negative things I saw on the offense and the defense. Offense. Too many 3-and-outs. Dak underthrowing or overthrowing too much. Dak not running for some not touchdown, but not running for some first downs when he got the open field in front of him. He trying to pass it. If nobody's open, just go for it, run for it. You got 5 or 6 yards, you can get there. Get close to the first down so we can have the third down be manageable. Or if it's third down, get that first down if you can run. So that's the negative. You're not running when you should run, Dak. You're overthrowing. You haven't been that accurate. And running game is still non-existent. Like I said, Zeke, I don't know what's going on with him. Maybe his calf is still messed up. Sit your butt down. If you can't run, don't come out there. We don't need you. We need you to get healthy. We need the Zeke that was playing good early on this year in the 6-game winning streak. That's what we need. We need that Zeke. But I'm not going to blame the running game solely on Zeke. Pollard and the running game haven't been doing that much either. But he's a force on kickoff returns. Thank you, Pollard, for that kickoff return, because you got us back in the game with that. So he's good on that. And he's good on, like, if you even throw the ball to him sometime, little screen plays and do a little trick plays for Pollard. He'll find that hole, and he's fast. He's speed. He'll shoot up through that hole real quick and fast. So that's a good spot that I've saw. That's about it. I mean, Gallup, he was catching some balls, so that was a good thing. CeeDee Lamb, I'm sorry, not CeeDee Lamb, but Cedric Wilson, he caught some passes, but he also missed some passes too. Noah Brown, he missed some passes too, but he caught some too. He was better. Both of them was better in this game than the last game. But at crucial times when we needed first downs or we could have had touchdowns, they didn't hold on to the ball. All right, so here's the bad spots or bad things I saw on the defensive side. So, Anthony Brown, Deshaun Jackson owned you tonight. He owned you. You couldn't do nothing. So, really, you and Diggs, I wish you try to tackle more. Don't try to go after the ball, tackle more, because that's why these wide receivers, when they do catch it on you, they're getting a lot of yards because you're going for the ball all the time or you're not trying to tackle. Please tackle more. And yeah, the defense, tackle, please tackle. The defense was not tackling. That was some bad things I saw. And what else? Special teams. Oh, let me go back to the defense. The running game. You're not good on the run. Maybe when Lawrence come back, he can stop some of these running backs from getting all these yards, because the other guys on the line is not good on the run. They're bad. All right. Special teams. Then after special teams, I got one more thing I want to point out. Special teams. Greg the Leg, I don't know what's going on with you. You are inconsistent. I don't know what you need to do. And special teams, when you are covering the kickoffs, you don't do that good of a job. You know what I'm saying? All right, so One more bad thing I saw, a negative thing I saw. Coaching. Kellen Moore. I like sometimes when you do the trick plays. But sometimes when you just need to get a first down, I don't know if that's you calling these plays or Dak changing the plays. You should be running sometime when you need to, but you pass. But then you run when you need to pass. Please fix that. And McCartney, you need to challenge sometime. What happened to the aggressiveness? You're not that aggressive anymore. It was a lot of challenges that, well, not a lot of, maybe 2 or 3 of them you should have challenged, one of them, especially on that fumble, that catch and fumble. And I don't know which defensive guy on our team got that ball. Maybe that was Jordan Lewis or somebody. Got the ball, threw it to Curse before he went out of bounds. That should have been our ball. But the referee said no. You should have threw a challenge on that. And I still don't like your time management. I think you should have call some timeouts. No, I say you did better. You did better on the timeouts, because we had one timeout left at the end of the game. Probably could have stopped them from getting 3 points, but it didn't. It didn't work. But anyway, you got out coached again. And the other thing I saw that was pretty bad was the refereeing, the officiating. It was horrible. And it happened at crucial times when Dallas could have had a touchdown or could have had a first down. And these calls was, oh my God, I don't understand. Okay, I know they was picking on Anthony Brown, but a couple of those calls he wasn't even on him. He wasn't really touching him. So a couple of those pass interference calls, I think that, you shouldn't have called that. And the holding calls that you did not call against Raiders, because every time Michael Parsons was coming in, they was holding on him, hugging on him every time. And you didn't call it not once. But every time we barely touched the quarterback after he threw the ball, oh, roughing the passer. You know what I'm saying? It was too many flags everywhere. It was pitiful refereeing. Pitiful. The worst I've ever seen in a long time. But overall, they did better as far as the offense. And the defense was whack. They played worse than the last game against a team that's a little bit more inferior than Kansas City. So I don't understand that. And then I don't understand why we can't win any games. We lost 3 out of 4 games when we don't have Amari Cooper or CeeDee Lamb. We didn't have Amari Cooper last game, or this game we lost. In that Denver game, we had Amari and CeeDee, and we lost, but we didn't have Tyron Smith that game. So if we don't have Tyron Smith, CeeDee Lamb, Amari Cooper, it seems like we struggle and we can't win games. But anyway, let me go ahead and give my grade. Since they took this team, they took Las Vegas into overtime and almost could have pulled it off, I'm gonna give this grade. I'm gonna give this grade to the team. It's a D-, so I'm gonna give them a D-. Not gonna give them an F because the offense did something good. Defense didn't do anything. But if I want to say give grace individually to the defense or offense, I'll say defense get a D. I'm sorry, the offense get a D and the defense get an F. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna average that out to a D- for the whole team. All right. That's it. Is it panic time, guys? Is it panic time? Well, should we not panic because we didn't have our 2 top wide receivers? Should we wait till our wide receivers come back? And if we lose against New Orleans, then it's panic time? Let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Hit that notification bell. Give me a like. Share this everywhere. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers so I can give away some free money. Make sure you're a subscriber now. All right. It's been Random. And Random Reggie's out. Let's go, Cowboys. I still believe in you. Let's go.